Credit myths that can hurt your score and prevent you from getting higher credit limits. Number one, let's address it. Paying your credit card twice a month. That's a myth. Somebody went viral with that video, and now I hear everybody saying you just have to pay your credit card twice a month. Although that may have some benefit, here's what you really need to understand. It's not just about paying it twice a month. It's when you pay it. See, once you understand when they report to the consumer reporting agencies, the big three, now you know, okay, if they're going to report on this date, how do I need to show up? How can I show up the best way possible? The best way possible is to have a low balance. A lot of times if people pay twice a month, well, what if you paid 2 days after they reported? Meanwhile, your credit card balance was maxed out of 50% or more. And now, even though you paid twice a month, you paid it at the wrong time, and now it reported in a way that didn't benefit you the best way possible. The best way is knowing when they report. Once you know when they report, you will go about paying it down before they report so that it reports in the best way possible, and now you benefit big time. So, another myth, and this ties directly into the first myth. 30% balance is what you want to aim for. A lot of people say, yeah, I just want to keep it at 30%, and that's the ideal balance. Not anymore. There might have been one thing that worked before, but not anymore. The ideal balance is single digit percentage, meaning 5% or less, or even zero is fine. So what does that mean? If you have $1,000 credit limit, that means you need to have your balance $50 or less, and watch how it helps you, because it shows them that you're not depending on the credit card. You use it in the proper way, and this helps you get your credit limits up like none other, because now they see, oh, they don't need the money. They're just using it the right way. We can trust them with more money, and now you see your credit limits double. So don't fall for the myth of the 30%. Third myth is all about the credit score. That couldn't be further from the truth, because you can have a nice credit score, but if your income does not match and prove that you have the capability to handle a particular credit card limit, then you won't get approved. So income does matter, and it can be the household income. So if you're married, then you can quantify the household income and not just yours, and that can help you as well. So make sure you understand that, yes, the credit score plays a part, but income and overall credit profile plays a part as well. And last but not least, the interest rates are too high. That can be a myth. Now, I will say this. You do want to have ideally lower interest rate, because if you do find yourself paying interest, you want to pay the lowest interest possible. But this is why interest rates don't necessarily matter. See, if you pay your card or use your card the right way, by using it, paying it off before they actually report, keep your balances low in a single digit percentage, well, this is what you got to understand. Let's say you paid off your card in full and you had a zero balance. Even if the interest rate was 28%, what's 28% of zero? Zero. So you can control the interest rate and how much you have to pay just by understanding how to play the game. Understanding these myths will help you take your credit score and your credit limits to the next level. Salute.